Here we have a military challenge coin from the 409th Air Expeditionary Group. This coin looks to be commemorating their time when they had joined Bulgaria, or at least were stationed in Bulgaria during Operation Iraqi Freedom. So I will be going over the details of the coin and trying to break it down for everybody. So on the front of the coin, we have the 409th Air Expeditionary Group, and then we have the flag of Bulgaria, which is on the left, and we have the flag of the United States on the right. Behind the flags, you will see a silhouette of a country. That is the silhouette of Bulgaria. And if you look just off to the right, which would be right about there, you'll see a small star. That star is in place to show where the 409th Air Expeditionary Group had been stationed, which was at Camp Sarajevo in Burgas, Bulgaria. The lettering at the bottom of the coin is the Bulgarian Cyrillic alphabet, and it says Burgas, Bulgaria. And that is what, again, this states. So Camp Sarajevo is the star in Bulgaria, in the town of Burgas. The small block underneath the country, this right here, is usually reserved for a number inscription. If you wanted to make the coin limited edition, if you will, where the group itself could say, if they were only giving out 100, 200 or so coins, they would actually have them numbered and given out to the members. Having the number, or I should say having a lack of the number, does not add or take away any significance to the coin or any value to the challenge coin. And then the stars in between the 409th AEG and Burgas, Bulgaria, are more or less just a placeholder to separate the two. On the reverse of the coin, so we have at the top, Defenders of Freedom, and then at the bottom, a nice little phrase of nobody kicks ass without tank or gas. So the 409th AEG flies the KC-10 refueling aircraft, and that is what the larger aircraft is here. You can see the boom that is extended going into a fighter aircraft that potentially is an F-15 with two other F-15s in the background. And the country that is behind the planes is Iraq. Again, this is for Operation Iraqi Freedom, for their time spent supporting the war effort. And right underneath Defenders of Freedom, you will see Global Reach, Global Power. So Defenders of Freedom and Global Reach, Global Power are kind of standard acronyms that you'll find on many challenge coins for different groups and different squadrons. And then, of course, the phrase at the bottom, the little motto, nobody kicks ass without tank or gas, is a common motto against the refueling squadrons within the military. And everybody, each squadron, each group has to have a motto, to prove their worth. Ammo might have something saying that, it means nothing if you're flying if you don't have warheads to place on foreheads, or what have you. You have a nice little braided edge going around the outside on both the back and the front of the coin. It is a smooth edge that you can see here. The diameter of this particular challenge coin is, we have 40.6 millimeters. Let's go ahead and change that to inches. So 1.6 inches, so standard challenge coin size, 1.5 inches, is what you will see most challenge coins being. And the weight of this challenge coin is we'll change this to ounces. 1 ounce, which again is a standard weight for a challenge coin. So when it comes to the significance of a coin, usually you want to see it commemorating some sort of event. And again, this is commemorating the 409th time in Iraq for the Operation Iraqi Freedom, and with them being stationed in Bulgaria at Camp Sarajevo. It's not numbered, which again is not that significant. And most challenge coins you will find that they usually range, if you wanted to purchase one, if you're in the unit, roughly $10 is what an average coin goes for. If you were looking to purchase this coin, with it being a standard bronze, usually the two that you'll see are bronze or gold, and silver, but this coin, I would value potentially around $50 if you were to put a price on it. Again, given the details of the coin, the condition of the coin, and its significance of what it was trying to commemorate. So again, here we have the 409th Air Expeditionary Group Military Challenge Coin.